This is home of the fucking alpha males, man.
Yeah.
No, it was him that pushed me.
I got 20 on Ike.
I ain't know that. I know it now though.
Try to shut it down, man.
He knocked that big old dude out, big dude, man. He hit him. Ike turned around and went wham.
Yeah.
He mad, he just fell down like spaghetti, knocked his ass right out. And then he knocked out about 3 other people.
For real, you seen it?
Fuck with Ike.
Don't fuck with him?
No, I mean, he was fucking with his buddy up there, it's like his brother, and he went over there to defend him.
Don't do that. He punched him first. Don't do that, bro.
Fuck with him, bro.
That's my nigga.
These guys were starting shit on the line, and they all started attacking him. He just turned around, they were nicking at him. He turned around and whooped all their asses.
Damn,
right
I ain't know that happened like that.
Oh yeah, it's Mike Pena got it on video. You gotta go see that shit.
For real?
It's on the internet right now.
I saw AJ went down. They told him, hey man, try to break that shit up.
I got it on mine too. I got it on
This
mine.
is good shit. We need to have an MMA night out here.
Yeah.
I'm not even getting that motherfucker. Man, Yellow Belly.
Oh, hey, it's gonna be somebody saying, I whoop the shit out of Easton. Man, I've been wanting to whoop Easton for about 20 years.
Yeah, well, you go try it. Try it. You go see the other side. And I ain't really white. I'm Indian.
Oh, yeah?
I realize that shit.
Oh, they ain't realize it? Man, I thought you was white, man.
No, I'm Indian.
Oh,
I just got a white name.
Oh, you got a white name.
No, I think my great forefather was black.
Oh, okay, he probably was.
I don't know, probably was. He probably came from Israel. Shit. We're all fucked up now.
Man, you making me choke on my drink, man.
No, man, I'm serious. He works out every morning like a 4.
He looked like, I told him he looked like an old creatine drinking motherfucker, man.
Oh, that dude, yeah. What are you talking about, man? He drinks Gorilla breast milk every morning for me.
Yeah, I believe he pump out. He look like a push-up pumping mother.
Fucking fighter, man.
Yeah, man. God damn.
He's mean and mean. They shouldn't have touched. He said, "Don't touch me." Guy turned around him. Just like that.
Damn.
It's on the internet, man.
Look out, look out. I got it all on film on Lookout Racing.
Everyone's freaking out over there. He said, "Hey, we're pulling guns." I'm gonna go. I got my gun. Went over there, make sure everything's cool. Security was already on it. They said, "Fuck." Everybody started attacking him. That dude right there will wrap you up like a pretzel. He's strong as he can bend steel. That son of a bitch is strong.
Damn.
That guy's ex-veteran from Iraq. He don't fuck around either. He's had grenades blow up on him.
For real?
Oh shit, these guys ain't pussies out here, I'm telling you.
Yeah, you said you can't be no pussy and be a
No,
yellow belly.
This is home of the fucking alpha males, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you ain't an alpha male, go home and stay home with mom and suck off her tit.
Yeah.
This is Yellow Belly. That's why they're doing a show on us, because this is where all the brave racers hang out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, they'll go to all the tracks, so I ain't knocking that, you know. We ain't trying to create hate and anger. We're not about that.
Yeah.
But, you know, one of the house rules is you take it outside the gate. If you're going to do it, then you're going to deal with Ike or some of these other dudes.
Yeah.
That's what you're going to deal with, man. They did a real good job, so I'm very happy for them.
Yeah.
But these guys are level 4.
Level 4?
They don't fuck around, man. These guys are trained to kick some ass.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
The whole point is we're not out here to hurt people or start shit. We're just here to keep the peace and make sure everything's cool. We're not here to harass them.
Okay.
But you don't hit Ike for number 1. Someone hit him. He goes, what? Someone sucking on my neck, kissing on me. He turned around and bam, belted that guy. I mean, it went straight like this, dude. Just a straight,
For real?
solid
Like
connection.
a jab?
No, it was like solid, man. It just like flew like a missile. And
God.
that guy just went. No, he just legs folded, just like that. You gotta see it, man.
I'm gonna go see it,
Oh
man.
no, it was great, man. Shit, that was the highlight of the night. Shit, that was better than racing. I'd almost pay him to come start that shit again with Ike. I got 20 on Ike. Crazy.
He said I got 20 on Ike.
Hell, fuck, I'll put 100 on him.
Yeah. He that good, man.
That good. You want to look at him in the video?
All right, I'm gonna go check him out, man.
Kicking everybody's ass. That's all jumping on him. He's whooping their ass.
I'm gonna go look at that.
Whooping all these guys, attacking him.
Damn, I'm gonna go watch that, man. I got it.
Just getting started. He had to come over here. It's like, man, I'm just getting warmed up. These guys are battle. Some of these guys are battle veterans.
Oh, okay.
Iraq, so they're used to shooting people.
Okay.
We ain't out here to do that. We're just out here to keep it cool.
Yeah.
This is the best security we've had in a long time, so they're going to be part of our show.
Okay.
I hope they stick around.
Yeah.
They handled it professionally. All they want to do is neutralize the situation. But one thing you got to understand is you don't fuck with Ike.
Yeah.
You don't fuck with Ike.
Oh, Ike at, man.
He up there in the front
They
row.
say he drink gorilla milk in the morning.
If you push me to that point,
Yeah.
you gonna see what I was trained to do. That's what happened.
You don't fuck with Ike. I got you.
Ike's a bulldog, man. He's lean and mean. You fuck with
Okay.
Blood up, beat up, pepper sprayed. Everything
Y'all
was
seen
down.
the fight?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
But look, when you make money like this, it's okay.
And
though.
where the fight happened too. Who made
Yeah,
the money
yeah,
today?
we
But what? Oh,
And everything. Guns were pulled out.
What?
Yeah,
You ain't see no gun though.
I did see some.
Oh, you seen?
Yeah, I seen about like 2 or 3.
Oh, okay.
They didn't put it out because they were scared about the security guards airing
Okay.
them ass out.
Okay.
You know,
Well,
but
shit,
hey,
I'm glad they ain't
y'all
get
want
the
the show come together better. You know, that's where it's at. Everything
Yeah.
pops out here.
Yeah, it's popping. You gonna scare some of the people. They ain't gonna want to come, but they ain't use
They like it, they gonna come.
Oh, okay. If they like it, they like it.
You got knocked the fuck out!
Get off your ass and get in this car, boy. I don't know why you come down here messing with these people. Hurry up!
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle. The one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Look out, look out.